Hey everyone, this is Patrice with the Positivity Corner, and I am back with another video. And of course, I am doing some of my favorite, because I have many of them. I'm doing some of my favorite dance club classics for this reaction series. You may not recognize this gentleman right here. His name is James Williams. You know, that's a nice name, but his nickname is D-Train. Got that nickname when he was a football player because they said getting hit by him was getting hit by the train. And he's straight out of Brooklyn. And if you know New York City, you know the New York City subway transit line. The D train. I'm from the Bronx. D train starts in the Bronx Manhattan line, 205th Street, goes all the way down through Manhattan, comes back out, goes all the way through Brooklyn, almost like a straight vertical line. And where's the last stop? Coney Island and Stillwell Avenue. Oh yeah. I took the D train many a day, and since we have cars, that's how you got to Coney Island. You got on the D train. Anyway, James D Train Williams had a group that was hot for a New York minute. They had two massive dance hits. This one was a #1 dance hit smash that I'm gonna play. They had another one that came out, and it was called Keep On. Ooh, he has some voice too. Oh my goodness gracious. The one that I'm going to play, though, is probably the one that they're best known for. It is an absolute classic, and it is what I have called on this channel before a quintessential New York record. If you're from New York and you hear this record, you go, oh, that's a New York record. Because it just is. It was on the Prelude label. Prelude Records, West End Records. Those are New York records. It has a certain sound to it. This was a #1 Billboard dance chart smash. D-Train, and the song is called You're the One for Me.
With the love I have inside of me, we can turn this world around. We can live through all eternity, and we never touch the ground. We'll take a chance to ride upon a star to a place that's far away. The light of love will shine on us forever and a day. Yeah.
wee. That was so good that they ended up releasing it almost like 10 years later or something like that. They remixed it and re-released it again. It was a hit again. That is an out and out classic from 1981. That is D Train with You're the One for Me. Great stuff. And a quintessential New York jam. As always, this is Patrice with the Positivity Corner. Please like, click, share, subscribe, join the party. And I will be back with some more videos.